Assalamu alaikum students. Open your books at page 98. We will read lesson 12 and the title of the lesson is The First Woman to Win Sword of Honor. The lesson is about first Pakistani woman who won the Sword of Honor. I will read the text first. It was Friday, 22nd September 2006. The news came Saira Amin, an aviation cadet. Aviation means which is related to flying, became the first woman cadet in the history of Pakistan. She was awarded the Sword of Honor at Pakistan Air Force Academy, Risalpur, at the annual passing out parade of the 117th GD General Duty Pilot Course. The Sword of Honor is awarded to those cadets in Pakistan Air Force who show overall best performance in three disciplines: flying, academics, and general service training. Uh, Class 7, this lesson is about Saira Amin, the first woman in the history of Pakistan who won Sword of Honor. Sword of Honor is actually awarded to those cadets in Pakistan Air Force who shows best performance in flying, academics, and general service training. She was offered with Sword of Honor on 22nd September 2006 at Pakistan Air Force Academy, Risalpur, at annual passing out parade of 117th GD Pilot Course. Okay. Sara Amin of Peshawar was a devoted and passionate child. There was a desire in her heart to make a name. After acquiring her formal education, she joined Pakistan Air Force Academy. She excelled in all the disciplines during her 3 years of GD pilot training. On the passing out day, she was dressed up in the uniform of Pakistan Air Force. She was carrying the rifle as firmly as her male colleagues. Her posture was speaking of her resolute aim. Her uniform was reflecting the dignity of her profession, and the brightness in her eyes was a reflection of her faith in Allah Almighty. Saira Amin, she was born in Peshawar. She got education from Peshawar. Then, after getting her formal education, she joined Pakistan Air Force Academy. On the passing out day, she was dressed up in full uniform of Pakistan Air Force. She was carrying rifles as her other male colleagues, and she was looking very confident. It was the day when all her family members, diplomats, and galaxy of officials. Diplomats are the officials which are dealing with foreign affairs, and galaxy is actually a group of the stars. Had gathered at the parade ground of PAF Academy, Risalpur. A group of cadets entered marching in the parade ground. Each group was led by a flight commander. Saira Amin also marched in with confidence, and her focus was on her performance. She proved her worth and excellence at the March Past ceremony. Her heroic performance was thrilling and breathtaking. This paragraph shows that when this passing out parade ceremony was started, her family members, many diplomats, and many other important officers, they were also present in the ground of PAF Academy. One group of the cadets entered marching in the ground. Each group was led by a flight commander, and we can also see that Saira Amin was also marched with confidence in the March Past ceremony of that specific occasion. She was very happy when the award distribution ceremony started. It was indeed a great moment for her. Aviation cadet Saira Amin was awarded the best award, the Sword of Honor. She looked glorified, and her parents felt elevated. Elevated means raised. The proud daughter of Pakistan excelled in the field that is supposed to be men's for. She was trained in MF 117, Super Mushak, T-37 jet and fighter crafts. The PAF chief, Air Chief Marshal Tanveer Ahmed said, I must say that it is a source of inspiration for Pakistani women. It is indeed a unique achievement, and I wish her success in her future assignments as well. Well, when the award distribution ceremony was started, she was very happy because it was very special day for her because she was awarded with the best award, the Sword of Honor. Her parents felt honored and elevated because their daughter excelled in the field which was considered only men's field. She got training in MFI 17, Super Mashak, T-37 jet, and fighter crafts. These are the names of the aircrafts in which she got training for flying in the PAF Academy. On this occasion, PAF Chief Air Marshal Tanveer Ahmad also greeted her with best wishes as she was a source of inspiration for Pakistani women. She gave us the message that no nation can rise to the height of glory unless its women work side by side with its men. Women constitute half of the population of a society. The development of society depends on equal proportion of roles played by both men and women. Women like Saira Amin have paved the way for others by proving that there is no discrimination between men and women regarding discrimination means differences regarding work, education, empowerment, and progress. Every individual must be taken as an individual and must be appreciated for one's good work. Hats off to Saira Amin for doing something great and proving that women can do it. Well, in this last part of the lesson, we have learned that being Pakistani, we know that our country's half of the population constitute women. Women make our half of population. So development and progress of a nation depends on the equal proportion of role played by its women. And no nation can reach to the heights of glory unless its women work side by side with its men. So we can see that Saira Amin paved the way for the country's women, that there is no difference between men and women regarding work, education, empowerment, and progress. Every person should be appreciated for the struggle he or she is doing. Women like Saira Amin can do and achieve every goal they set up. So the lesson is done. Thank you.